Hey friends, we got a new product video to show you today. And actually this one is timely because our neighbor's house was just broken into. And it reminds me how important having a good security system is, both to check on your home to make sure things are okay, as well as identify potential criminals using the footage that's captured on these video systems. So in today's video, we're taking a closer look at this Sansco security system that you can buy right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. Now, my buddy K-Man, who actually really needs an upgraded security system, has graciously offered to do a full install, a demo, and then give his review on this specific system. So I'll let him take over and let's check it out.
Hey guys, gonna be installing the Sansco security camera. I've already had it up for a week and I've tried it out and I really like it. Comes with the camera, solar panel, little thing to mount the solar panel. You got two brackets, the one that holds the camera and the one that holds the solar panel. It's only got 5 screws. It comes with screws and it also comes with inserts, so if you got to put it into like drywall or something, you can put those inserts in first. But I've got solid wood application, so I'm just going to be screwing it right in. Let's go ahead and install. It's good to walk around the house, figure out exactly where you want to put it, and then mark your area. I already know that I wanted it right above this existing light that I have right here, so it's going to be a good place for it. It comes with lights that work great, but more lights is more better when you're trying to shoot at dark. So that's all you got to do for the base. And then I decided I wanted to put my camera underneath this because it works out. It snows here. I just want to give a little extra protection. It is waterproof. I only did it for this one. This is the end for my solar panel. I went through with the hammer and I went ahead and secured it so it looks kind of nice and tucked away under here. The awesome thing about these cameras is they move, so you can, with your phone, you can move this and pan it anywhere you want. Plug it in. Like I said, I've used this for a week and my battery power has been full just off of this little solar panel. It hasn't gone down 1 bar at all, so the panel is plenty good enough. And I've been using this camera and moving it all over and checking it out, and it's been working great. So, screw this down. That's all it needs. Beautiful. And I'll show you with the app, both on your phone or on your TV, you can move these cameras any which way you want. So we'll finish adjusting that to exactly where we want. I'll secure that, make that look nice. Yeah. All right guys, so you do have, it comes with 4 cameras, but you can add up to 10. I am gonna buy at least 1 more to put on the other side of my house. But it does a great job of showing you everything that you want to see. When you come through here, this is the side of my house. You can pick this tool, which will allow you to move the camera kind of wherever you wanted to see kind of what's going on in that whole area, which is very nice. You could just sit here, and on your phone you can just sit there and move these cameras and just see what's going on anywhere in your yard. It'll alert you that there's motion in an area, and then you can do this and follow it. All right guys, aside from having the system on your TV, you have a QR code inside of the instruction manual. There's a couple inside of the box that you can scan, and it gets you the app on your phone, which works really good. You can see all 4 of your cameras live. You can click on the camera, you can rotate your phone sideways and really see what's going on. on here. You can change it to HD, which gives you a little bit crisper. You can hit record. You can move the camera all around right here with the touch of a button. See exactly where, you know, if you want to see the rest of your yard or whatnot. So it does a really good job. You get a great picture. There's lots of controls and different features that you can set up. You can set up your camera to do exactly what you want for each zone. They can all react differently. It's a pretty good system. I am really enjoying it. All right, thanks guys. I hope you enjoy it too. It's awesome. Take care. Bye.